Hey everyone, I'm going to walk you through what to expect when unboxing your ALTOR Apex bike lock. Let's get it open. Well, the first thing to note is the lightweight design of the ALTOR Apex. The Apex is made of high-strength hardened steel, which provides industry-leading strength while providing a tiny footprint, providing you security when you need it without slowing you down. Upon first glance, you'll notice the protective coating designed to protect the lock and the bike from wear. Your lock will come with 4 keys that are key-to-like to unlock the high-security disc detainer lock. The disc detainer locks can be tricky until you get used to the behavior of the discs. Once you create a new muscle memory experience for this style of lock, the pin and tumbler expectation will no longer give you a challenge. Rest assured that the disc detainer lock is the highest security design on the market and will deter any would-be thief. One of the great things about the lightweight Apex is that it comes with a lightweight slim frame mount that is sturdy and eliminates the chance of rattle. The material in most situations allows enough flex to move with the bike. If you need a replacement, ALTOR sells additional mounts on our website. If a saddlebag is more your style, we've partnered with Alchemy Goods to create an American-made, upcycled saddlebag from tire tubes. The Apex saddlebag can carry up to 2 Apex locks or a single lock and your tools. The Apex series can daisy chain and are available for purchase in a single or double configuration, key-to-like of course, to fit your needs. Regarding maintenance, there isn't much to be done. If there's ever any debris in the lock, simply blow it out, and if things could run a little bit smoother, we recommend using Houdini lock lubricant. Repeat this anytime you think things could run a little bit smoother. So that's the ALTOR Apex, designed to protect your bike, on the go, always right where you need it, so you can do more and worry less.